Welcome to another Load Force product in focus. Let's take a look at our TA300 Hydraulic trailer brake caliper. The TA300 caliper replaces the Trojan AU unit and it fits on disc rotors with the width of 13mm up to 16mm. If you're moving between mechanical brakes to hydraulic brakes on your trailer, we recommend the TA300. As it uses the same bracket that is welded on your axle as the TA100 mechanical caliper. This is the most cost-effective way to upgrade your brakes to hydraulic. You can see our Load Force TA300 has quality casting finish and is made with precision machining. It has brass slide pins and is fitted with a billet stainless steel piston to eliminate the problem of phenolic plastic pistons swelling and seizing. All Load Force brake calipers come with a set of brake pads fitted, and there is a full range of spare parts available. Load Force products are sold Australia-wide at a growing number of trailer and auto stores and through Trailer Spares Direct.